this may be your last chance to see these awesome decorations on Main Street USA. Hi everyone, how's life, and welcome to another one of my videos. So yes, you heard it right. According to the official Disneyland Paris website, these beautiful decorations that were installed here for the Symphony of Colors season a few months ago now will be gone on the 12th of May 2024, which is literally in a couple of days. So maybe by the time you're watching this, they may already be gone. No one knows exactly which decorations are going to go and which are going to stay, but the website does state officially that they will only be around until the 12th of May 2024. So in this video, I thought I would show you all the details of the decorations that they've installed to commemorate this wonderful season. Now don't worry if you're looking forward to the show, A Million Splashes of Color, that should be going on until the end of September 2024, and the Disney Electrical Sky Parade was recently extended until January of 2025. So you've still got time to see those, but if you're coming here specifically to see the decorations for this season, then you may not get a chance to see them if you're coming after May. Look at that, we've got Pinocchio here right now, switching into who are we going to get? Peter Pan! 2 P's in a row. The railroad is also stopped there at the moment. Tiana's looking beautiful over there. And honestly, even just the frame as well with Tinkerbell and Periwinkle, I believe. It's such a cute idea to kind of bring some flowers and colors and vibrant colors into the park, especially in the colder winter months. That was the whole idea of it. And I really like this castle pavement that they've done recently as well. Oh my god, look, my baby Pocahontas, my absolute favorite. So yeah, obviously this is just at the entrance of Disneyland Park here, which is of course also the entrance of the train station. You can see the railroad has started going now, bells over there, but they do also have some more decorations actually inside the park on Main Street specifically. But before we head on to Main Street USA, I did want to do a quick little montage of some of the characters that are displayed here at the entrance of the park because they're just so cool to me. So let's go. A couple of months ago when they first installed this, I actually did a reel of some of the princesses that are featured here, and it did so well on Instagram, so thank you so much if you watched my reel on Instagram. I did not expect it to do quite as well. I did spend about 2 hours editing it though. It might be only like a 1-minute reel, but to get the music perfectly right with the scenes took me a couple of hours, and I did it on a park day as well. I'd been in the park the whole day, went to my hotel, stayed up until like 3 a.m. to edit it, so it really does mean a lot to me. And if you haven't checked it out, go on my Instagram, it's just Sound for God, and check it out for yourselves. And just like that, we move on to Main Street USA. Looks like the show is on, or is just about to finish actually. Million Splashes of Color. I love the music for this, it's so catchy. But yeah, look, the gazebo itself has some decorations on it, these little fairy lights that you can see across it, very nice. And then on each side as well, we've got these interesting plant features that, again, it looks like they're meant to be for the colder months, because this is why I'm guessing they will probably take them, because it's meant to be ice. So these beautiful flowers are blooming even though it's cold, and some parts of it are icy and frozen, and it's the same on the other side as well. It goes so well with the beautiful spring flowers that have recently popped up too. Look at that. Whoa! Millions d'histoires magiques multicouleurs. I'm so sorry, I love the song. And they're just over there, look at them. We might catch a show later on because there's one more showing of it. Make sure you watch until the end of the video, by the way, because I'm hoping to film all of these decorations when it gets darker too, because I feel like they work even better and they look more magical in the dark. But yeah, look at all the frozen water feature on here. And the other side, we've seen the gazebo. It's quite subtle, the decorations on the gazebo. You can see a little bit of ice again, some frozen ice at the top of it, and then these fairy lights, which definitely look prettier in the dark. But then we move on to the beautiful view of the castle, which I absolutely love. And then we've got this piece over here, which again, it looks like it's meant to be a little fountain with frozen water, icy water coming out of it. Again, really, really cool, creative decision for Disneyland Paris to make for the colder months of the year, and I hope it's something that they consider bringing back maybe next winter, because yeah, it adds something, right? It adds some more color to an already beautiful Main Street USA. And then moving on from here, we of course get to Main Street USA. In Main Street USA, really the main decorative pieces for it are these new lamp lights on each side that have different characters featuring from time to time. So it's cool. Again, it's a very similar idea to what they do at the front of the park at the entrance. Various different Disney and Pixar characters pop up with colorful, vibrant backdrops, and it's really cool. It's again more fun and color to normally gloomy weather here in Disneyland Paris in the winter months. I do really enjoy these ever-changing characters on the lamps across Main Street USA for the Symphony of Color seasons. I feel like it's just fun seeing so many different rare characters at times, and you never know who's going to come next. And there's so many characters that you don't often get to see in any of the Disney parks, really. I mean, Pocahontas sometimes features Esmeralda, Quasimodo, Mushu, Baloo. There's just so many fun and unique characters that you see one and you're like, oh my god, you know, I remember that film, I love that film. I mean, it really brings the magic of Disney together, and I think they've really done a good job with them. But the last fun element of the decorative pieces for the Symphony of Color season is here, and it's meant to actually be, I believe, Tinkerbell's little house over here. Look at that, there's an actual water feature going on too. Honestly, well done Disneyland Paris. I think they've done a fantastic job with this whole Symphony of Color season. Look at that, loads of beautiful flowers here, sunflowers, flowers on the ground as well. And yeah, the water element definitely adds something extra magical to it as well. Now, I'm gonna check this out later on in the evening when it gets darker as well, but this is it for now. Honestly, it's so beautiful. I could easily just spend my whole day in Disneyland Paris looking at the beautiful castle over there, looking at the ever-changing characters on the little screens, and then enjoying the sound of the water here at Tinkerbell's house. But we do have some characters to meet. Before we go there though, I've just bumped into the lovely, what are your names, guys?
My name's Mina.
And?
Janelle.
And shout out to?
Serena, my daughter.
Yeah, if you're watching, hello.
Serena-san.
All of you guys, lovely to meet your parents here, but also one day hopefully I'll meet you. Okay, well, next on the agenda today is the Character Meet pop-up surprises for annual pass holders that was recently introduced last year when the new Disneyland Pass came out. That, you know, was a little bit controversial initially because of the prices, but they introduced this new perk, which is kind of fun. This is going to be only my second time doing it. I got to do it last time. I met Elsa and Toulouse, which was really, really cool. Both are pretty rare characters, and you very rarely get to have character interactions with them here in Disneyland Paris. This time around, the characters are not so rare. So it's Max, who you guys know I enjoy because how can you not? He's related to Goofy, my bae, and also Clarice. So Clarice, again, a fairly rare character, but you do sometimes see her in the parks with Chip and Dale hanging around, especially in Adventureland. So not the rarest of characters, and I know that some people have been a little bit disappointed with the choice they made. However, one thing that I'm excited about is that their backdrops have a lot to do with the Symphony of Color season that we are currently celebrating, and this video is all about. So they've done like a whole million splashes of color backdrop for both of them, loads of colorful, vibrant things, which is why I decided to wear my new Pixar Spirit jersey today, because it's red, it's fun, and I'm not gonna lie, Max also has a red t-shirt, so I thought it was just perfect. But yeah, without further ado, let's head in. So we are heading into the old annual pass office here. Hello, bonjour. D'accord, merci. And yeah, we're gonna be waiting on number 3. Looks like it's gonna be Max first and then Clarice after. Hi Max, how are you doing? Good to see you. Yeah, I'm red like you today. You've been painting, Max. Million splashes of colour. What is your favourite colour? Is it red? Is it purple? Red, of course it is. I mean, it has to be. Although I have to say, because of your dad Goofy, I do enjoy kind of orange and green as well. You've got to love it. But red's the best. Red's the best. Yeah. Yellow. You're splashing. Oh, it's a game. Okay. You want to come back or should I do the same thing? Okay. Blue's actually my favourite colour, I have to be honest, Max. I know I'm wearing red, but blue is mine. I love this though. Amazing paintings and stuff. The castle looks phenomenal. Did you do that all by yourself? That's your amazing. You're awesome. Thank you. Should we get some photos, Max? Thank you. Perfect. And the next pose? That's lovely, Max. And the last one? Oh, big cuddle. Perfect. Max, thank you so much. Lovely to see you. Say hi to your dad as well. Bye-bye. I'm always impressed at how quickly these meet and greets go. I love this idea for a little perk of being an annual pass holder, and now I'm waiting like 30 seconds. There's only literally one group before me who are currently meeting Clarice, and then it's going to be me. Clarice, how are you doing? Good to see you. You're amazing. I'm doing alright as well. Love your outfit. Very colourful. Goes really well. Oh my god, and your bow. Amazing. How's Chippendale doing? Chippendale good? Yeah. Being naughty as always. Yeah, all the balls been played. Should we get some photos, Clarice? Thank you so much. You're amazing. Thank you so much, Clarice. Bye-bye. Well, that was that. The entire thing, meeting both Max, who was so fun, and Clarice, who looked phenomenal, took less than 5 minutes, and I love that. Like I said, it's such a nice perk because generally character meeting greets in Disneyland Paris are extremely popular, and they can take up to 2 hours, 3 hours even for some of the rarer characters, and the fact that you can just come and meet some really fun characters. And I know this time around it wasn't necessarily very rare characters because you can meet Max and Clarice often in the parks. Obviously maybe not quite as often as say Mickey or, you know, Pluto, etc. But they are still around. So there's been a little bit of a controversy among annual pass holders about the choices that they made for Clarice and Max, considering they're not necessarily too rare. But listen, I still had a great time. I loved seeing both of them, especially Max, and the fact that I got to do both of the characters within, like I said, 5 minutes, a bonus. I had to put my sunglasses back on because it is extremely sunny and beautiful weather actually, and look at the castle. Oh, you can't even see it. The castle is literally just there behind those trees, behind this little thing. But yeah, seeing as we are talking all about the Symphony of Colours and the decorations today, I thought let's go and maybe try a particular snack that has recently come out to celebrate this season. I hope they have it though, because I checked yesterday and they had run out. Well, as almost predicted, they didn't have the cupcake, unfortunately. The cupcake can normally be sold and found inside Market House Deli on Main Street, USA. I did ask a cast member yesterday and they said they should have them today. So they said they don't have them and they don't know if they'll have them tomorrow. So it's one of those very Disneyland Paris things where snacks sometimes do come, some cute snacks, seasonal snacks, but you just never know if you're going to actually be able to find them or not. They might just be sold out. But because I kind of still fancied a snack of some sort to celebrate this season, Symphony of Colours, I decided to go to the Boardwalk Candy Palace, and I was very lucky because I managed to get the very last of the Symphony of Colours cake pops, which honestly are very much regular cake pops that Disneyland Paris has been selling for the past couple of years now, just with different colourful Mickeys on them. There's chocolate on the inside. They are €5, and like I said, if you want these, again, I would advise you to get there early because it's currently about 4 o'clock and this was the last one they had left. So yeah, yesterday I tried the blue one, and check out that vlog. It should either be up already or it might be coming up. So they have, I think, 4 different colours: green, blue, yellow, and what's the other one? Red, of course, red. I kind of wanted to go for a red one, but they didn't have one. Obviously, I just grabbed the last one, and it's good. Classic Disney cake pop, nice and moist inside. If you love your chocolates, then you're going to enjoy it. It's very rich flavoured chocolate, so if you don't like that, then it might not be for you. I've saved the rest of my cake pop to go and eat whilst I wait to watch the show, Minions Fashion of Colour, which should be starting in the next 20 minutes or so. But whilst we wait for that, I did want to say, number one, a huge thank you to you if you are currently watching this video. It really means so much to me that you take time out of your day to watch my channel and support it. Any like or comment that you give does definitely help out the channel. But also, recently, after quite a few years of you guys asking me to, I have finally opened up a Patreon page as well as a YouTube membership. So if you would like to join me on either of these platforms, then you can. The links are always down below, and basically the reason I've waited until this long is because I wanted to make sure that I've actually got something to offer to you guys. So if you want to get some little extra perks, then consider maybe joining my Patreon or joining me on YouTube memberships. And if you do, thank you so much. It's amazing of you, and a huge shout out and thank you to my patrons who have already joined. But with that being said, I am gonna make my way back to the top of Main Street because I think I want to try and catch the start of the parade.
Be ready to tell a million stories because the future is starting right now.
Started right now.
few hours since I last spoke to you, and it is now well and truly dark here in Disneyland Park, so I thought I would quickly do a little montage to show you all the Symphony of Colors decorations that they have installed on Main Street USA. And oh my god, look at the castle looking so beautiful. I just watched Dreams probably for my final time, and I just can't believe that that was it. That was my last time possibly seeing Disney Dreams, which I absolutely love. But yeah, this is Main Street USA at 11:30 p.m. on a beautiful spring day in May of 2024. So without further ado, let's roll on the montage. Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog in front of this beautiful feature decoration here, Tinkerbell's house, because I think it's probably the most impressive one, especially in the dark, because look at all the sparkles that you can see on the ground. It's just amazing, with the water feature as well, and the flowers, the sunflowers lit up in the evening. It's just stunning, and I am gonna miss it once they take it away. Like I said, hopefully it's something that they'll consider doing in the future again. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. We had an amazing time. We met Max, we met Clarice, we looked at all the beautiful decorations here for Symphony of Colors, and we had a cake pop too, which is always fun having any Disney snack. But look, the flowers kind of look like extra mini ears to me. Two little sunflowers. Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for following me on this journey. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for your support. Thank you for choosing to watch my videos. Your support means so much to me, and thank you so much to my Patreon members and my YouTube members as well. You guys are amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.